Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another session of Qur'anic Arabic Recitation with Tajweed Rules. In this session, we will be studying next set of 9 syllables. That's from here to there. And it's page number 12, Al-Qaida Nuraniya. This slide is just a reminder for transliteration purposes. So the first letter is Kha. Kha fathatain, and the alif next to it is silent. Kha fathatain khan. Kha fathatain khan. So the fathatain sound, the an sound is produced because of fathatain. Kha kasratain khin. Kha kasratain khin. The in sign is produced because of the kasratain. Kha dhammatain khun. Kha dhammatain khun. The un sound is produced because of the dhammatain. Khun, khin, khun. Khun, khin, khun. So the next letter is ghain. Ghain fathatain, and alif here is silent. Ghain fathatain ghan. Ghain fathatain ghan. Ghain kasratain ghin. Ghain kasratain ghin. غين ضمتين غن. غين ضمتين غن. غن غين غن. غن غين غن. The next letter is Ha. So Ha fathatain, and then alif is silent here. Ha fathatain han. Ha fathatain han. Ha kasratain hin. Ha kasratain hin. Ha dhammatain hun. Ha dhammatain hun. Han, hin, hun. Han, hin, hun. And the next few slides will be sounds only. Khun, khin, khun. Khun, khin, khun. Ghun, ghin, ghun. Ghun, ghin, ghun. Han, hin, hun. Han, hin, hun. So this is the end of this session. In next session we will practice those 9 syllables 10 times without explanation, just to give you in a practice. We will see you in next session inshallah. Until then, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.